Want to save money on your next Taptap Send money transfer? Let's find you a promo code. First and foremost, the obvious place to start is the official Taptap Send website. Open your web browser, type in Taptap Send and go directly to their official site. Keep your eyes peeled for any banners or pop-ups advertising current promotions or discount codes. Many companies like Taptap Send have a dedicated promotions section on their website. Look for a button or link that says promotions, offers, or something similar. Click on it to see any current deals they have running. Sometimes these sections will list active promo codes. Next, let's head over to social media. Taptap Send frequently announces promotions and shares promo codes on their social media channels. Check their Facebook, Instagram, and X accounts. Search for Taptap Send on each platform. Check their posts and stories for any mentions of active promo codes. Now, let's use the internet to our advantage. Try a simple Google search for Taptap Send promo code. You might find websites that regularly update with current promo codes. However, make sure the websites you're visiting are trustworthy. Always be cautious about clicking on suspicious links. Also, check that the code is still valid, because they have expiration dates. Remember, it's essential to check for active codes. Many promo codes have expiration dates. Once you find a code, be sure to enter it during the checkout process when you are making your money transfer on the Taptap Send app or on their website. Some codes might only apply for specific transfer amounts or destinations, so always read through the terms and conditions. By following these steps, you'll be saving money in no time.